Hey everybody, it's Doug Dennis for a change. I'm going to open a package. I got a knife here. I know what to do with it. I can open the package. Yay! And you go over here and you cut the knife here. And then you come over here. You don't cut your fingers over here. Yay!
Oh, God.
And then you get over here. You don't cut your legs. Yay! And you come over here nice and slowly. And cut. And cut. And cut. Yay! And we put the knife there. And then we get the package over here. Yay! And you bend it over, and you bend it over, yay! And you bend it this way. Move your leg, Nana.
Oh my God, that's a big box.
And the package is so big that you can't even get it out, yay!
Oh God.
Okay, now we look at the package, yay! And you put the package
Oh
here.
my God, that's a nice one.
We got a big package here, yay! And we got cardboard sticky thingies, yay!
Oh God.
And we put this over here, yay! And for some reason they put the package in upside down, yay! And you turn the package over on its right side up, yay! Move your blanket down there, yay! And you put the box over here like this. Yay! And you get the knife again. Yay! I got a knife. Yay! I got a knife. Yay! Look at the knife. Yay!
Oh God, you're weird.
And then you cut the box open over here somewhere. Yay! And you cut the box just like this. Hooray! Yay!
Oh God,
You cut the
you're
box.
weird.
You cut the box like that. Hooray! Yay! Then you come over here to this side of the box. And you poke it in like that. And you go, hooray! Yay! And the box doesn't open all the way. No! And you rip the box open. Hooray!
Oh God.
Get the box open. Hooray! Yay! Does that cut my leg open? Yay! Then you do the split to the package. Yay!
Oh God.
And you cut the box open like this. Hooray! Hooray! Donna, what word is that?
I don't know.
Oyster? Oster? O-S-T-E-R. Design conventioning oven with a conventioner or something. Okay. Yay! Then you bend the box over like this. Yay! Then you bend it over like this. Yay!
Oh God.
Bend it over like this. Yay! And then you pull the box up. Yay! How do I get this open? Yay!
There's a handle right there.
Where? We have this stuff. Yay!
We can cook stuff in there.
So we got a tray!
We
Yay!
can use it for.
We got a rack for it. Yay! Then we have a little rack. Yay!
For somebody who wants something small. Something cannot eat that much.
A little rack. Yay!
Something not eat that much food, like me. I eat a lot now.
And then we have a tray. Yay! A tray! Yay! Yay! Woo! Yay!
Oh God. You're weird.
And then we have to figure out how to open this box some more. Yay!
There's a handle out there.
Where? Here?
Yeah.
That's not gonna help me. No! Here comes the baby! Yay! Then we put the baby over here. Yay! And then we pull this out of the baby like this. Hooray! Don is having a coughing fit. Hooray!
Oh god. You're weird.
Then we got the plug here. Hooray! Plug! Yay!
Oh god.
Then we got the other baby parts over here. Hooray! Woo!
Oh god, you're weird.
Baby parts. Hooray!
Oh, god.
We have the instruction manual.
Oh
Hooray!
god.
Hooray for the direction manual. Woo!
Oh god.
And then we put this stuff back in the box. Hooray!
Oh god.
Put the stuff in
You're
the box.
really
Hooray! And then we open the toaster open like this. Hooray! Yay! Let's turn it around so people can see what she looks like. Yay! Yay! She smells funny. Yay!
She's very new. Oh, that's a nice one.
This is the toaster oven we got. Hooray!
Nice one too.
There's tape all over the toaster oven. Hooray! Why does there have to be so much tape on this? Hooray! Yay!
You're weird.
It's not coming off. No! It's gonna burn up really bad when I cook on it. No! Okay, hooray! That goes there.
We got some more.
Hooray! Yay! I'm special dog! Yay!
You're weird. You're weird.
Did you have underwear? Yay!
Oh god.
I have underwear! Yay! 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 Get off my fingers! I got mail! Yay! 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 Uh-oh! I'm a boom boom in my pants! No! Yay!
That toaster might be better than I can toast my Saint Heaven. Where's the instructions?
Get off my fingers!
Where's the instructions, honey?
Oh, was that this? Oh, what is this? What is this? Yay! Yay! Hooray! The bus is here! Yay!
Where's the
Where's the what? Yay! This is for the crumbs! Yay! The crumbs go here! Yay! And it opens like this, hooray! And there's a box in here, yay! Why is there a box in here? No! Good thing I saw that in there, yay!
Where's the fashion?
The tray goes in like this, hooray! I can see in here, hooray! I can see, yay! It goes in like that, hooray! And then we go like this. We could put this like this. Like this, like this. We can put turkeys and stuff on here and pizza and all kinds of good stuff. And then you put it in here like this. Yay!
Or a hamburger.
And you plug it like that, and then we plug it into the refrigerator. Yay! Refrigerator! Yay!
Where's the... Oh, you're gonna do pizza on it.
Plug this into the wall! Yay!
Where's the trash cans, babe?
Donna, I need your help! Yay! Donna, I need your help! Yay!
Another one says, ooh, yeah. Ooh.
I need to go underneath the sink. This might be a little too high. Let's get high! Yay! Hi, Johnny!
Look.
To be around! Yay!
Look. Look. Then why are we doing this down? This down.
You can't see us! Yay!
There's
I don't know why the video's still going on. Hooray! Why am I still saying hooray? I can see there.
We don't
Hooray!
need that anymore. You can toast the toaster. Let's see. Toaster. Oh yeah, you get a toaster. No. Toaster. That one.
Watch out! You okay?
You're running. That hurts.
I didn't mean to do that. You okay?
Yeah. You go in there, baby. Let's see. What else can I use it? Let's see. Oh, toaster bake.
Oh shit. Too short. The cord's too short.
You know what? We should do this going here.
No, that's cord's too short too. Why is this plugged in?
That's the coffee one.
I know, but why is it plugged in? There's no TV made. Wait, don't move it. Come on, give me some space.
Yay! Yay! I can do. Let's see. Timer, start, clock. I'm gonna do the clock.
Hold on, Donna. Hold on, Donna.
I'm gonna do the clock.
Okay, we're testing the quality thing, and we give another video. Yay! The cord's a little short. No. So that's kind of a problem. I might have to return it. No. But we're gonna see how it works. Yay!